Check this out! It's the Canon FTb film camera.
And Monday off. And what's your plan of Monday?
Check out the location. We're going to perform. Okay, so today is Monday. School is off today because 2 days earlier it's our school's 21st ceremony. So first we are going to check out the location we're going to perform. Second is the main stuff I'm going to do is go to the camera store to buy a film camera. The Canon looks pretty cool, huh? And also buy 2 kinds of lens. Yeah, it's 8:30 now, so it's time to go out and check out the location first. Here we are, and I'll put a link below and check out the event we're going to perform. It's totally free, so make sure to check it out. Lots of bloom. Just keep squeezing your phone. Lots of bloom. I'll take a picture. Too good to be true. I just bought a Canon FTb film camera and also a 35mm FD lens and a 135 Canon FD lens. Super great, so I'm so excited about the film camera. Now I'm going to practice some dance. Practice something, yep. Check this out! It's the Canon FTb film camera. Check out this very old Canon logo. Looks super duper sexy. So I will use this camera to do some test shots and I will post them on my Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So okay, I'll see you guys next week. Bye!